You finna break my hand.
I don't care. That's your problem. Stop talking to me.
All right.
Come on, dude. Dang. Get in the car, Telly. Can you get in the car? There's a car behind me.
I don't care what car it's behind.
Fine, then walk. I'm warm. Dang, man, I can't even know. I don't even know if y'all can see my face. I think I'm too close. Man, I'm trying to do this prank, man. Oh my gosh. I don't know which one is zooming in and zooming me out. I hope this zooming me out. Anyways, whatever. If y'all can see my face or not, whatever. Real quick, I'm doing this prank on Telly real quick. She inside getting ready. She taking too long. We supposed to be being gone out the crib. It's getting late. But what I'm finna do, I'm finna get mad because I'm out. She always know that I'm mad when she taking too long to get ready or whatnot. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna set up the camera. I don't know. I don't think this is gonna work because I don't really have nowhere to set the camera. But I'm finna set it on my back windshield. She just finna get in. She probably not even gonna notice nothing, you know, out of the ordinary. So I'm finna try to set it up right here. I brought my sweater and whatnot. So yeah, the prank is I don't know what I'm finna call it yet, but I'm gonna kick her out the car because I'm getting mad. We're gonna get into a little argument and then we're gonna be just down the street or whatever from her crib. And I'm gonna tell her like, alright, you could get out, you could leave. You know, I'm gonna just get mad because I'm like, you always taking too long, you always doing your makeup, your hair, this and that. You with me, I don't know why you trying to look all good all the time, you feel me? Like, just come on, let's go. I already seen you like this, feel me? But yeah, that's what I'm finna do. I'm actually a little mad right now because she is taking too long. But yeah, look. So I'm finna set it up. I'm gonna give her a call like, dude, is you coming? You know, like da 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 da. But give me a second. I'm finna try to set it up and see if it can get the back. I'm see how it look. Damn. Guys, I don't know. I hope she take longer. This is the only time I need her to take long. That's gonna have to do, man. So I'm gonna sit down and call her. On God. I don't think this is gonna work, but she... Babe, are you ready? Come on, let's go.
Babe, I'm coming. Hold on.
Okay, dang. Can you hurry up? Jeez.
Yes, I said I'm coming.
Guys, I already know I lost this sprint. But she finna get the book to the tooth. On God. Oh, if you're wondering why I got these on, these ain't sunglasses, by the way. These 3D glasses. I got them from Black Panther. This girl finna piss me off. I don't got time for this. I actually got stuff to do. Bro, what is she doing? I'll be back. Jeez. Y'all, dang. This stuff is annoying. Taking forever. Dude, you're always doing that.
See, I messed up my jacket and stuff.
I don't care. You should never been taking that long.
Okay, you should wait.
You would have had it to rush in the car.
However, you just need to wait. You so impatient.
Dude, I don't got time for that. I don't need to be waiting for nothing.
Yes, you do.
Dude, be quiet.
I could talk if I want to talk.
Dang. I was doing that dumb stuff.
It's not dumb. Just because you get ready faster does not mean...
I don't got time to be waiting.
What, you gonna wait for me?
Can you stop that?
Stop what?
That whatever you're doing.
I'm humming. What's
Okay,
wrong with me humming? I can't hum.
Okay, that's annoying me. Stop.
I can't hum.
Can you stop, dude? Like I said, that's annoying.
Alright, I don't know if I'm sure you got access to today because I'm humming. I can hum if I want to hum. It's a free world. That's what I'm
Okay, Telly, I don't.
Came to America.
Okay, dude, be quiet, dang.
I'll talk if I want to talk.
Dude, stop. No, for real, you're pissing me off, Telly. Dude, stop. I don't care.
I don't care either. I will
Okay.
talk. I can talk if I want to talk. What did you stop me for? Keep driving. Like, I don't understand. I'll talk if I want to talk. You don't zip my lips.
Dude, Telly, stop talking to me, dude. You're pissing me off.
I talk if I want to talk. Like I said, you don't zip my lips. I zip
Okay,
my own
Telly,
lips.
leave it. Stop talking, dude. You're pissing me
I'll
off.
talk. I'll talk.
Whatever, good for you.
I can talk. No, I want to
Dude,
talk.
stop.
I want to talk.
Stop.
So don't play no music because I want to talk to you.
Dude, stop, dude.
Don't
for
hit
real.
my
I don't
hand.
care.
You're
Stop.
gonna break my hand.
I don't care. That's your problem. Stop talking to me.
All right. I'm gonna break your own girlfriend hand.
I was living.
No.
Dude, can you stop?
I want to talk. So you're not gonna play no music. Hey. You never want to talk to me about so you just want to play some music every second. Play music, play music.
Can you stop humming, dude?
No,
Dude,
I can't
you're
stop
pissing me
humming.
off.
All over.
Dude, can you
this
stop?
feeling got me falling.
Can you
all
stop,
over,
dude, for real?
all over.
But Telly, can you
No,
stop?
no, I can't. I can't stop. And you dropping my phone.
Can you stop? But Telly, can you stop, dude? You're pissing me off.
No, I won't. I won't stop.
Then you can go sing outside.
No, I'm not singing outside. If you want...
Then be quiet.
No, I'm not going to be quiet either. No. You don't tell me what to do. I do what I want. Anyways, I don't know what your problem is today.
But Telly, can you be quiet, dude? You're pissing me off. No, dude, you're pissing me off.
I don't care, dude.
Okay, you're already pissing me off. Be quiet.
I don't care. I don't
Okay,
care.
then get out, dude.
I'm
Get
not
out.
getting out. No,
Get out.
I'm not finna get out.
Get out.
So you finna throw your own girlfriend out your car?
Dude, get out. You're
You about to
pissing me
throw
off.
me out?
Okay, then be quiet. What the
No,
fuck?
I'm not finna be quiet.
Okay, dude. I'll call your mom and then I'll tell her that you're pissing me off.
No. No
Okay.
matter what I do, you don't kick your girlfriend out your car. You don't
Okay,
do
I will
that.
kick you out if I wanted to.
You're not gonna kick me out. I'm gonna stay right here.
All right, that's fine.
What is you doing? Are you trying to get us killed or something? You need to drive
But
correct.
Telly, can you be quiet, dude? You're pissing me
You need
off.
to drive correct. I don't care if you're mad or not. You need to drive correct. You know how to drive.
Guys, the camera fell. She's out the whip. I don't even know where she went. She's out the whip. All I know is that the camera fell. Let me turn around because these human beings are she gave back the phone that I got her. It's an A+. I don't know where the ring went, I know my car dirty. She gonna end up sitting right there anyways. Oh, there go the ring. Get that back. There goes her phone. A+, I got that, you know, you feel me? There she go right there. Let's see what happens. Can you come on? Dude, can you come on? Get in the car, hurry up.
No, you told me to get out your car, right? So I'm gonna stay out your car.
Okay, can you come on, dude? Dang. Get in the car, Telly. Can you get in the car? There's a car behind me.
I don't care what car it's behind.
Fine, then walk. I'm warm. Can you come on, dude? I don't got time to be playing with you right now. Can you hurry up? Dang, idiot. Telly, come on. Come on, dang. Can you come on, jeez.
We don't date. You're not with
Telly, can you come on? It was just a prank, jeez. Can you come on? It was a prank.
Why would you be pranking me like that? That's not funny.
Dude, get in the car, dude.
Prank me like that.
Telly, get in the car. I don't have time for that.
Why would you prank me like that?
Idiot.
That's not a joke. That's not funny.
And your phone cracked. Dummy.
How's my phone crack?
Cause your dumb self threw it.
Whatever. Don't ever be playing no prank on me like that. Stop!
Stop slamming my door.
I'll do whatever I want.
That's nice. You see, guys, the camera fell.
You wanna play those stupid pranks on me?
Dude, be quiet, dude. Before I really kick you out, you're pissing me off. Your voice is annoying me. You already took long and wasted my time. I got stuff to do. Bye, guys.